Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a big expanding flat. I think this is a wave A, lower low wave B, 3 waves down, and I do still think this is going to turn into 5 waves up for a expanding flat wave C or possibly a running flat wave C. Either way, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, yes, we have been going down, but I still think that looks pretty corrective, and I'm still looking at that as subdivisions of a wave 3. I still think this is a 1. I still think this is a WXY of 2. I think this is all subdivisions of a big wave 3, which I do believe will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we've definitely been going down pretty strong for several weeks now. And this move down to me is all definitely looking more like a trend also. Tells me that it actually might only be a wave A, and the next move up might actually be a wave B, which a wave B is a correction to the wave A. Now, sometimes what we think is a wave B will just end up continuing the uptrend, and I actually hope that is what's going to happen, but it definitely does seem like it's more likely it's going to make more of a proper ABC correction before it really does end up continuing the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we still don't have any significant break of structure to the downside, so I am definitely still primarily looking for shorts. We didn't quite touch the 61.8% fib level either, so I mean, I think there's a pretty good chance there's going to be one more sorting opportunity. Today is non-farm payroll, so maybe we will get another push down, a Fibonacci bounce, and then a break of structure that will turn me into a buyer, or maybe non-farm payroll is going to cause it to just keep on trending down. The trend is down, the trend is your friend, and I will definitely still be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last push down right here. With the fact that this right here is a higher low, it actually makes me pretty confident that it's another ABC correction to the downtrend. I would expect it to go up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. I would expect it probably to take out the higher wave A, which makes me think the 61.8 is more likely. Then I would like to see a nice Fibonacci bounce. I'd like to see a nice break of structure. Like I said, today is non-farm payroll day, which is a pretty good news event for the dollar pairs. Hopefully it's going to cause it to go down. Maybe it will make a double bottom and then go back up and break structure. And if it does do that, it will definitely turn me into a buyer. Until I actually see that double bottom break of structure to the upside, I am definitely still looking for shorts on shorter time frames. I'm paying very close attention to the 61 and the 50% Fibonacci retracement for a possible reversal. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.